Hello and welcome to another TMR Tours. My name is Stacy and today we are talking about TMR's Choice Breakfast at Epcot. So if you're headed into the parks early in the morning and need a place to eat, here's where TMR would tell you to go. And if you like this video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications. First up is Les Halles in France. So you want to head all the way into the back of France where you'll actually get to see this French bakery. Plenty of seating right up in front. Once you walk to the back, you'll see all of these beautiful pastries, and they even have savory options available. We love to order the Croissant Salé. It's an egg, cheese, and bacon sandwich on a croissant, and we even like to sneak in a bit of a pastry for breakfast too. So if you're ever at Epcot in the morning and you see us, we're probably over in France, feel free to come by and say Congalouche. Next up is Kringla Bakery over in Norway. So if you're headed into Epcot early in the morning to do Frozen Ever After, you might want to stop over to the bakery for some breakfast. The thing to get here is the famous Norwegian school bread. What's great is it counts as a snack credit on your dining plan, and it's kind of like an American donut, except it's a little bit more of a spicy donut than a sweet one. It's got a vanilla custard on top with toasted coconut shavings, and there's custard in the middle as well. Out back there is seating, but not a ton, so if you see a table, grab it. Oh, and by the way, beware of trolls. Last up is the Garden Grill restaurant over at the Land Pavilion. This is a sit-down breakfast worth 1 credit on the dining plan, and it's an all-you-care-to-enjoy character breakfast in a restaurant that rotates and overlooks the Living with the Land attraction. Here you get a all-you-care-to-enjoy family-style breakfast of waffles, eggs, potato barrels, and the ever-popular sticky bun. Oh man, that sticky bun. The waffles are classic Mickey style, and you can get a side of fresh fruit. Don't forget to ask for Pog juice like they have over at Boma Breakfast. Want to see more about Boma? Check out our video. Because it's character breakfast, you never know who might stop by. These have been TMR's breakfast choices at Epcot. For more info and tips, check out our other videos, and make sure to check us out on all of our other social media as well. Thanks for joining us on this TMR tour.
Subscribe for more vacation tips.
Feel free to leave comments below with the things that you want to learn more about.
For more Disney facts and our blog, check out TMR Tours over on Facebook. See you on another adventure from around the world. Congalouche!